Best overall, Barceló Anfa Casablanca, the 10 best hotels in Casablanca. Courtesy of Barceló Anfa Casablanca. The 5-star Barceló Anfa Casablanca stands out for its ideal location in the city center, within easy reach of top attractions in the Old Medina and the upscale Gauthier district. The decor is a contemporary take on Art Deco elegance, with a neutral palette enlivened by splashes of regal gold, blue, and green. All rooms come with a minibar, free Wi-Fi, and a luxurious ensuite bathroom. Some have balconies, while presidential suites spoil with a hot tub and private terrace. In between sightseeing adventures, sample reinvented Moroccan cuisine at the on-site restaurant, take a dip in the outdoor pool, or treat yourself to a spa massage. Rates start at $85 per night.